Howdy folks, just out here messing around with another ICP sensor. So that's the sensor right there. This is the second one in less than like 8 months. So I don't know, I don't know, just frustrating, but anyways, bad luck I guess. This time I didn't change out the pigtail on it in the connector last time. So this time I probably will. I'll pull back some of the conduit there and see what it looks like. But anyways, and looks like it's leaking a little bit, right? It's got a little bit of moisture on there from the oil. So anyways, but yeah, the new ones, they're I think it's a 27 millimeter. Let me go back over to the table here. But yeah, 27 mil, I believe. So need a big wrench. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, so let's see. Here's a new one. Yeah, 27. So, anyways, and yeah, so I'll pull this apart and throw the new one in and let you know about you know what the deal is, I guess. But hopefully clear the code in it, and hopefully she'll run well for a while longer. And I'll look at the other one, see if how bad it is leaking, clean it up. So that's that. Catch back up with you in a minute. Alright, just back here. I think I'm going to replace the whole pigtail for sure on this one. That other one just is pretty ragged under there. So got just prepped it. I guess their little cheat sheet here says they recommend using these little metal crimpers instead of these butt connectors, so I'm totally in agreement with that. So I just got those guys on there and got all my heat shrink on there, and so I'm gonna go up under there and crimp these guys on and throw on the new sensor and take it for a drive here in a moment. So catch up with you in here in a minute. And this is why my next big tool purchase is crow's feet. So I mean, you can get in there with a socket, but it is tight because the fuel line's right there with a big deep socket. So that's how I got this last one in there in the middle of winter. It was like 12 degrees out and I had to just shove it in. So I got it in there, but I think it'll help. I've got an adapter and an extension to drop it down to a 3/8 ratchet, so I'll have maybe a little bit more clearance there with that rather than just a full 1/2-inch drive. But yeah, crow's feet, that was definitely my next big purchase. And I don't have any stubbies or anything that go that large, so I guess it's a, what, 27, or was that an inch and 16th, I think. So anyway, so in case you're wondering which one I'm using again, and if this one fails, this will be the last one I use, because I put one of these exact things on back in January, and here we are in beginning of August, or mid-August, I guess. So HMA 105K or 1005K. Comes with everything, so that's kind of nice. But I don't know. After this, I'm gonna throw different. If I eat another one of these, I'm putting a different brand on, and I'm probably gonna throw another one in the glove box, honestly, because I don't know. This is, I think, the 4th one I've had in the last since 07 when I got the pickup. So catch back up with you later. All right, and we're back one more time. Got the old pigtail out, the old sensor here, and kind of ripped it apart a little bit when I just went for it with the socket. I put the new one on very gingerly, of course. You know, it's an easy deal. So just show you here real quick, and then in this video, man, this light is the best thing ever. So anyways, so there it is. Right there. So yeah, new connector, and I left this one long. I didn't trim that pigtail shorter. Just put a little more conduit around there, and hopefully maybe I tried to make because before it had a really like sharp bend to it, so maybe that was messing with the wiring. So I left it a little bit long and just kind of routed it around there and kept getting some conduit. So anyways, there she is. And so I'll run her and test for leaks on the oil there, and I've never had one of those leak before, but yeah, there she is. So clear the code in the computer and hope all is well. All right, well, catch up with you. And once again, so kind of what I ended up doing, deep socket, and then got it as tight as I could on there with the 27, but really a crow's foot would be the kicker here. It'd be real nice. So like I say, that's really next on the Tecton purchase list, set of those. I know they're coming out with a new design of them too, so I'm kind of just holding out for second they launch those, and I'll order some up. I think on my rewards account there with them, I've got like $150 credit right now, so that'll be nice. Anyways, so with that said, I guess I'll catch up with you later, and got a lot of videos coming that I want to do, but everything's just crazy right now. Work and starting classes again, and I got to get the house ready for winter, and got a ton of firewood to cut up into rounds. Probably about 14 to 15 cords sitting out there from the log truck load I still haven't really touched. So I guess a little bit of pressure, right? Pressure makes diamonds, isn't that what they say? Something like that. So anyways, catch you later.